Children, today I'll talk about type of errors in Python. Okay, so this is very important. When you do programming, obviously you cannot be successful all the time. As soon as you write a program, there will be errors and you will come across different types of errors. So these are the three different major type of errors which happens in Python. That is, one is syntax error, the other is runtime error, third is logical error. Now you need to understand these three errors very clearly, so that when the questions comes in theory exam, question comes in practical during Viva, the teacher might ask you about the difference between these three errors, or on your program the teacher can ask you at this on this spot that which type of error you are getting. So you should be able to tell whether it is a syntax error, whether it is a runtime error, whether it is a logical error. So coming to syntax errors, these are grammatical errors, very simple. See, whenever you learn a language, suppose you are learning English language. So अगर if you say I am a good boy के जगह पे लिख देते हो बोल देते हो I is a good boy. So this is grammar. So in Python also, when you write something, you need to follow some rules, grammatical rules. So whenever there is a violation of grammatical rule, you will come across syntax errors. Okay, so that's why it is written the program will not execute to the next line till the error in the current line is fixed. So Python is interpreter driven language, interpreter, which I think I have explained to you earlier also. So it is line by line. So when the program gets executed, suppose third line there is an error, it will stop. Error will be highlighted, you will remove the error, then again you run the program, it will go to the fourth line, fifth line, if it is executed fine, sixth line there is an error, it will stop. It will be highlighted. These are grammatical errors, and in your mind these are grammatical errors, because when you come to the other errors, you will see a different type of reporting is coming. So now these are the three examples: missing colon, if you have if statement, else statement, for loop, while loop, because these statements has a block under it. Okay, when a block comes, a colon has to come on the block statement at the end. So if you miss that colon, this will be called as a grammatical error, that is syntax error. So missing colon, unmatched parenthesis means whenever you are using brackets, suppose you have given an opening bracket and the closing bracket is missing, right? Then you will get this parenthesis error. Incorrect indentation. Now Python, mind it, this is, see, it's case sensitive, no doubt, but indentation is very important. Normally when we write it manually, we don't look into the indentation means the alignment. So here alignments are very important, means it comes underneath it, then there has to be a tab, then it will follow, it is a block, then you come back to this means previous indentation, then continue. So this is important. We will see all these three errors using a program now. Okay, all three programs I will explain all these three errors. Now coming to runtime errors. Okay, runtime errors are what? These are called exceptions in Python. Now exceptions, runtime errors, synonymous. Okay, so when it comes, when you run the program, okay, if there is a runtime error, the program terminates and you will get the error in the shell, in the terminal, but not like syntax errors where the program on the screen only the error is reported highlighting, but here it is different. The program terminates and then in the shell, in the terminal, that error is reported with the word trace back. Okay, we will see in the example when I explain it. So these are the different examples which I have given here: name error, type error, value error, zero division. Name error, I have a variable or a reference x is equal to 5, then I say print is equal to x plus y. Now this y is not defined, so here for y there will be a name error. Now type error, 5, I have a number, I have a string, both we are concatenating. Now 5 plus Mira cannot happen, because 5 is an integer, this is a string. Integer and string cannot be joined. Okay, so this error will be a type error. What? This has to be converted into a string, then only these two operations can take place. So this is a type error. Value error. Now this is a character. Okay. I need to get the integer value of this character. I want to convert it into integer. It is not possible. Why? Because it's a value error. I cannot do this. Now the last one is zero division. You know this very well in mathematics also. If you want to divide by zero, normally we say infinity. Divide by zero is infinity. But in case of Python, infinity is not a value, right? Real value to nahi hai. Infinity absurd value. So here in Python it will be treated as a runtime error or an exception. Now coming to our third category, that is logical error. These errors are caused during execution and the programs run successfully, but the output is incorrect or not as expected. It's very simple. Logical errors are very difficult to identify if there is a logical error. Because see, if it's a simple program, you know that what is the expected output. If it is a suppose 1000-line program, now you get some output and you think that the output might be correct. Because you get some machine learning, you get output, and output might not be absolutely correct. But it's very difficult to find out that yes, is this correct or wrong. So the program will run successfully, you will get a value, and that value will be an incorrect value because of a wrong logic in the program. So you need to correct that logic to get the expected output. Okay, so this is your logical error, and it can examples are just incorrect mathematical calculation leading to infinite loops, incorrect conditional logic. Okay, this is an example which I have taken. Suppose I want to find out the sum of two numbers. I have taken two numbers and by mistake I have used minus sign instead of plus. So obviously the answer will be wrong. You want to find the sum of two numbers, but actually you are doing a minus and you are getting an answer which is not as expected. So this is logical error. So all these three errors. Thank you very much.